Want to make thumbnails that actually get clicks without needing a designer? Let AI do the heavy lifting. We are talking about Fliki AI's thumbnail generator for you. This tool significantly boosts video engagement by providing professional-grade thumbnails without requiring design skills. It streamlines the thumbnail creation process, saving time and enhancing click-through rates for content creators. Let's dive into how it works. Search on any browser, Fliki AI thumbnail, and then visit the link we are visiting. Once you land on the page, click on the Start for Free button. Sign up with your email. Once done, you will land on a new page. From the top right corner, click on New File. Name the file and select the aspect ratio. For a YouTube thumbnail, choose Landscape, then Submit. Now from the top right corner, click on Magic Create. Select Thumbnail. Write your thumbnail text in the topic text box. Select AI Media for the background image, then submit and wait a few moments for your thumbnail. It's done. You can edit the thumbnail by adjusting the text, changing the color, font, etc. We're creating another thumbnail in the same way. Once you are satisfied, you can download it from the top right corner where it says Download. That's all for now. Thank you for joining me today on this journey. Until next time, keep innovating.